Welcome to your final day of meditation. Take a moment to find your seat. Settle your body and soften your gaze, or allow your eyes to fully close. Let's allow this time to simply be about rest, presence, and quiet gratitude. Take a deep inhale and a long, steady exhale. Begin to notice and feel the gentle rhythm of your breath. Inhale softly, filling your lungs like a quiet winter breeze. And exhale slowly, releasing tension, creating more space within you. Let your body feel steady and grounded. Feel the stillness of this moment in your heart, as if time has actually slowed down just for you. There's nothing to do. There's nowhere to go or be. Just surrender here in this space. With each breath, allow a soft reset to wash over your body. Inhale a quiet sense of clarity and peace. Exhale, letting go of anything heavy, anything ready to be released. Feel the natural cycles of life reflected in your breath. Just as the earth prepares for new growth in the quiet of winter, this moment is preparing you for what's next. Breathe, letting the rhythm soothe you and bring ease to your mind. Take one more deep breath in and a long, releasing breath out. As you slowly bring your awareness back into the room, let yourself carry this sense of stillness forward with you. When you're ready, open your eyes gently. Open to all that lies ahead. Thank you so much for sharing this journey with me.